Hello everybody. Hey, what do you think of my Valentine's Hoopoes? I loved making the Hoopoo Tree of Life so much that I wanted to make them again. But here they are in a romantic setting for Valentine's Day. And the palette is so limited. It doesn't really get much more limited than this. We've got black and white. And apart from the black and white, we've just got the streaky orange and the blue. Now you may recall that the border of my green woodpeckers were acorns. I didn't want to do that again, and Hoopoes eat bugs, and I thought if I put a border of bugs it wouldn't be so romantic for Valentine's Day. So what I did is I made some Marini in their palette, orange, white and black, and then I turned those into hearts, Hoopoo hearts. So I think it looks really nice, don't you? As usual, I've written a verse to accompany this, which goes like this. It's called Valentine Hoopoes. I hope that you don't poo-poo when you see my Valentine Hoopoes, because I think it's true that birds fall in love too.